this file at all. And so I want to change it to something like PNG because I want to upload it somewhere. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can save your design from Canva to your PC. So if you're thinking about saving it online, but then don't worry, Canva does that automatically. For this video I'll be showing you how you can save it onto your PC. So here are some of the saved designs that we have thanks to Canva. So I'm gonna be checking out this design that I made with the help of my classmate. Well, you might not see anything around here that is similar to save. And if you're like someone who's used documents or Microsoft Word or anything that's Microsoft Office related, it's usually found within the file here. And as you can see, actually it is here. You can see that you have the option to save this, which is already saved to the cloud. And you also have the option to download this, and what it will do is actually open the share here, because in order to save your design to your PC and download it, it is actually found here on share. It might look very unrelated because like, why is it share? Does it not send a link to someone else? How is the download here? Well, for Canva, that is the case. The download button is actually found here. And once you're here, you have the option to choose whichever file type that you want to save this file into. So there's always a suggested file type, and for this one it says that it's PDF standard, which is best for documents and emailing. But for me, I don't think this is best for this file at all, and so I want to change it to something like PNG because I want to upload it somewhere. And now I have the option to change the size of this photo from its normal 1 ratio to a 2 ratio, which it will be upscaled into ×2. But you can only have this feature when you have Canva Pro. And you can try it out, and you can try out Canva Pro or Premium by using the link that we have in the description. So you can also explore Canva Pro features, and you might consider buying it or subscribing to it in the future. And so after you're done, once you've set this to either transparent background, compressed files, it's up to you, or you want to save your download settings so that you don't need to go through this all over again and you just have to download it, you can just go with that. And then once you're done, let's just click on download and it will start downloading. And depending on which download manager that you have, most of the time you actually have a built-in download manager, which is found in the browser. It will be automatically downloading. Sometimes, like me, I have other download managers that I have installed, so it will usually magnet that file. For this case, actually, it just used the browser's download manager. And so there's that. And now it's done. And let's open this, and we can see the file that we have saved. And that looks wonderful. And that's it. That is how you can save your design from Canva to your PC. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.